big shout out to the Rupco staff, led by Sheila Kilpatrick over here, and too many other staff to mention, who worked, really hard to put this great event together. Thanks to my friend Cale for doing the sound today and volunteering his time. To Hickory Barbecue for being here with their great food. We had Brian Hollander and friends, and now the Aboriginal Music Society is going to play for us, so the bands have been great. I think everybody knows the story of Woodstock Commons. The phone rang in 2003. It was a town board appointed affordable housing committee. Bob Young called. He said, "Would Rupco please come to Woodstock to build affordable housing? They've been trying for the better part of 3 decades to get it done, and they couldn't." And so we said yes. And 10 years later, this was built, residents were moved in, and in May of 2013, 5 years ago, we had a great ribbon cutting party here to celebrate. So we've been open for 5 years. All the units are full. We couldn't have an open apartment to show you today because all the units are filled. People want to live here. Anytime I come to this campus, it just feels good. It feels good to be here. This is really well-designed affordable housing. So again, I want to thank everybody for being here, and I hope everyone has a good time. Looks like the kids are having a good time. Excited for the second band, and thanks again.
You took me back to